Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Canva for free. It's super simple, super easy to do, and you can do it in a matter of seconds. First thing we're going to do is head over to the left-hand panel and go to Apps, and then you're going to be able to see all of the apps within Canva, and you can just search QR. And there's some different options here, but I like just the simple QR code, so we're going to click that, and then it's going to have you enter the URL. So I am just going to copy this URL here that I have in the other tab that's ready to go. Make sure I add the HTTP, and then you can change the background color or the foreground color as well. So you can change that. I like just keeping it black and white. People know what it looks like. You can also change the margin, but I like keeping it at 2. And then we're going to go generate code, and it is going to pop up here. Now, what we can also do is just add some text. You can add this QR code to flyers, to, I've even done it in YouTube videos for affiliates and added it to affiliates. So we can do this and just have the arrow there to scan for more information. And this is great for people that are watching on desktop, so they can pull out their phone and just open up their camera and scan, or if you're watching on TV, or if you're at a craft fair, you can have this printed out and have people scan it there, or scan to register, menus at a restaurant. The possibilities are endless for this. Now, there is one thing that I don't like, is you can't track how many clicks there are. So that is one downfall of this. There's no data with it. It is simply a way to redirect people. So that is a downside. There is a site that I have used as an alternate, and that is MeQR. I'll have them linked down below in the description box. But with this, you can create the same thing, QR codes, all of that. But there is tracking data. So that is really, really helpful. Let me show you what it's going to look like. So here we have one, and this is the same thing, next level membership. This is what I am using for adding additional value to this presentation I have, that if they want to get more information, they can use the QR code. So we can do this with next level membership. And as you can see, this one has 2 scans and 2 users. So this is made pretty much the same way. We're going to create new QR code, and we are going to have it linked to a URL. You can also link to a PDF or an image if you want to redirect that way, but I want to link to a URL. And then you're just going to put your link here, and I can paste that. And then you can name it if you want. You can also have a category if you want as well, but we don't even need to. But I can do next level membership. I'm going to put 2 because I already have one, and then customize QR code. And you can make it really cool or pretty, different things like that. You can have scan me, or just this simple one here. And then you can download your QR code. And then you can go to my QR codes. And there it is. You can see it has 0. And then the QR code went right to my downloads folder. So that is an alternate where you can see the data on it, which is really helpful. But if you don't care about the data, then I would just use Canva. This is super easy, super simple. And like I said, you can use this on menus, on flyers, on anything that you want. Check out these other Canva tutorials here. And if you want to learn how you can make money from home, side hustles that you can do from home, check out this video here.